Y'all thought we was gonna do ASMR? No, we not. Not ASMR. I was looking over here and the thing is right here. Y'all thought we was doing ASMR today. We not. I was joking. I'm a jokester. Comedian, if you will. Comedian. Stop, girl, we is big. For another video. Thank y'all for joining me. We're gonna do a Valentine's Day look because Valentine's Day is coming up and I'm like, you know, I love holidays. I love being able to dress up and do stuff. I'm not gonna have to dress up because I'm just going to the movies, but it's a great day for content. And so today we're gonna do a Valentine's Day look. I did something different, y'all. I have laid out the products that I'm gonna use, so I'm not sitting here searching for stuff when it comes time to use it. Today, honey, we doing this real cute Valentine's Day look. Real cute Valentine's Day look. I'm gonna explain all the products that I use. We're gonna dive into this video. If you would like to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. We're gonna get it started. The palette we're gonna use today is this Sweet Talk palette from Colourpop. This is my first time using Colourpop eyeshadow. The only thing I've ever used from Colourpop is their lip glosses. Their liquid lipstick, so this should be interesting. We are also going to be using a new foundation routine. So I got a new shade from Juvias Place because my old shade had gotten too dark for the winter time. My melanin is like fading away. So the color I'm going to be using today is 230 Malawi. I used it this weekend and it looked fine, so hopefully it translates well on camera. The wig that we're using today is from Lux Heritique, of course. She's not done. You probably won't see the finished product of the wig until after we finish the makeup, when I'll show y'all pictures or whatever. I'm going to be using this Juvias Place concealer too. This is also my first time using this. This is number 11. I don't know if it has like a name or not. But yeah, and we're also going to be using their setting powder. And this one is in Kalahari. This is not a sponsored video, but hey, Juvias Place, if you'd like to sponsor someone who posts great content and maybe not just have the viewership she should, but you just want to take a chance on an old gal from Houston, Texas. Holler at your guala. Y'all have seen me do brows before, so I'm going to speed through this part. We're going to get down to the nitty gritty when we get to the eyes, and then we'll start talking. But until then, y'all just enjoy my hands moving by real quick, like this. Okay. Now, let's get down to the business. All you hoes some stitches and y'all trying to take my riches. All right, so we're gonna get into the palette. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, this light peachy brown shade here on a big fluffy. And I'm just gonna put it all over my, the top of my lid, whatever this thing called. I'm not gonna do the most on the eyes today because we're gonna do bold red lips because hello, Valentine's Day, red lips make time. Does it bother y'all when y'all watching YouTube videos and the YouTuber is not looking like at you? Like, does it bother y'all that we look at ourselves? Because I know there are some that are really good at looking at the camera. I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me if you care. Okay, so now we're gonna take a darker brown. It's like a burgundy-ish color. This one right here. On that same brush, I'm gonna take it and put it on my outer third. And right now I'm just depositing the color and then I will blend it in a second. So I just want to get my placement right before I start blending. Now we're going for a really sexy, sultry eye. So these deep tones are important. to close the lid off a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, now I'm gonna take a flat brush like this. I'm gonna jump into this soft pink color right here. Wow. It's a matte, it's really powdery. So you wanna pat it in. Okay, I'm liking that. So now we're gonna play with some glitter. I really like this one right here. It like speaks to my soul. So we're gonna use that one. And I don't know how these, oh, it's loose glitter. Interesting. I'm gonna pack it on the center. You could definitely use a glitter glue, which is probably what I should have did, but I didn't really want to mess up my shadows. All right, so I'm gonna take that peachy shimmery shade and highlight my inner corner with that. And I'm probably gonna have to go through and do this again after I put on foundation. Okay, I like this. All right, so the eyes are done for now. We'll come back into this palette to go under. But let's prime. It's prom time. Those so lame. I'm using this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Primer Moisturizer. I'm gonna do this little trick that Jackie Aina always does. She takes a powder, a setting powder that is your skin tone, and well, her skin tone, not your skin tone. Why would it be your skin tone? And she goes over her. She like sets her primer with that. So I'm using just this Ulta powder. And it helps your makeup stay on all day. This Juvias Place foundation, you don't need too much. I'm gonna go over this one time, and if I need more coverage, I will add. I'm gonna be honest. I love the range of colors that Juvia's Place has, but when it comes to picking your specific shade, it is so hard when you're in the store because it'll be like 10 shades that look exactly like your shade. Like they could be your shade. And so it gets really hard because it's like slightly, it may be slightly like a shade off or just very slight differences. And I don't know, I guess for some people that's good, but for me it's kind of overwhelming because I'm just like, bruh, is this my shade or not? Like, just tell me so I can buy it and leave. I ain't trying to be in here all day messing with these girls. Did I mess up my brow? We got to fight. Okay. Foundation looks good. She looks good. So we're going to take this concealer. Oh, it is super watery. I'm going to let that dry down a bit before I even try to blend it out. It's so watery. If you are not following me on my social media platforms, you sleep. Okay, you is sleeping. Wake up. Go follow me on Instagram. It's Brushwork by Susie Bougie. It's like some dots in there, so I'll just put it right here. I'll also add it into the description of this video so that y'all can have easy access to me. So on most days, what I use to snatch my face is the Rihanna matchsticks in I don't even know what this color is. Espresso. It's a cream stick. But today, since I want to be beat to the gods, I'm going to go over it with the powder as well. So I just start from where the end of my, what's something called? Sideburns, edges, whatever. And I just kind of blend upward. And all I'm doing is placing it where it would naturally be on my face before I started adding all that stuff. Foundation. Isn't makeup fun, guys? If you made it this far in the video and you're having a good time, type woohoo! If you made it this far in the video and you love me a lot and you want me to keep making videos, type woohoo times 2. Oh my God, my lip is gone. It's disappeared. Okay, so we're just blending this up. Now, nose snatch. Michael Jackson time. It's Mighty Morphin Michael Jackson time. Can you see the transformation? Child, she's morphing. Wait, you're not supposed to see. Wait a minute. That was too much Michael Jackson time. Give me a little bit of width, baby. I still need to look like I'm black, y'all. I'm black, y'all. I'm black, and I'm black, y'all. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna dust this powder away first, and then I'm gonna set this cream powder, this cream contour with powder. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna put some more. What's that called? Some shadow underneath my lid. I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna do top and bottom lashes. I'm going to spray my face down. When you see me again, it'll be the finished product. I'm talking over here. When you see me again, it'll be the finished product. I'll be like amazing, like lipstick, everything. Before I go, the lipsticks that I'm gonna use is Stunner and Rebel by MAC. And I'm gonna do my hair, my lashes, all that, and then I'll be back. All right, I'm back. This unit is a Luxe Hair Tea custom unit, custom color as well, created by Susie. Okay. So I did add bottom lashes. I add top lashes. Did the highlight. Had some blush from Juvias Place, and we're here to give y'all looks for Valentine's Day, girl. But thank y'all for joining me. I will be back for another one at another day. I ain't gonna make no promises to y'all. Thank y'all for joining me. Please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you like the video. Share with your friends on Facebook. They may love a crazy person that likes to do makeup. So share this video. If you recreate this look, let me know too. Follow me on my social media platform, on Instagram, on Facebook. And yeah, I thank y'all for rocking with me. I appreciate it. Bye.